My advice to anybody who'd be getting a tattoo for the first time would be to do your research. Check out artists online. Most artists have an online portfolio these days. And when you would like to book in your tattoo, if you feel like this person's artwork is the right person for you, go to the shop. Go and check things out. Make sure you're happy with the surroundings. Make sure you're comfortable with who's tattooing you. Make sure your artist is working in a reputable shop. Any reputable shop will have to have a license, which is given to you by your local council. They legally have to have their license displayed on site for the whole entire shop and for each individual artist that works in the shop. Most likely the shop's license will be on display inside the studio or in the waiting room. You should look out for whether your artist is obviously wearing gloves while they're setting up, breaking down, and definitely tattooing you. With my clients, I personally open all sterilised packages in front of them. Bear in mind, every artist is different and will use different procedures. I'm sure if you ask your artist to open them in front of you, I'll be happy to do so. I'm packaging my grips, which have been sterilised in an ultrasonic, cleaned in an ultrasonic and then sterilised in an autoclave. And my tips are brand new and packaged. Some people would rather not watch the needles go in the machines. When I've completed the tattoo, I will wrap the tattoo in cling film. Advise them to not take off the cling film for the first 2 hours. From there, take it off, give it a wash with some warm water, make sure they keep it creamed and clean. Personally, we here at the shop, we advise bepanthen cream. For the first 2 weeks, you need to make sure that you aren't submerging it in water. Running water is absolutely fine, but no swimming, no baths. Keep it out of direct sunlight as much as possible. The main priority with moisturising a fresh tattoo is to minimise scab formation. I mean, a scab will most definitely form. The main thing you need to make sure you're doing is letting the scab heal and fall off on its own. It's like any wound you have anywhere else. The skin will heal underneath, the scab will fall off, and the fresh tattoo will be healed nicely underneath. Towards the end of your healing process, you may find that your tattoo is itchy. Do not scratch it. Best thing to do is pat it. If you have accidentally scratched it, some people accidentally scratch in their sleeve, don't worry, it's just one of those things. You may require a small touch up, and if you do at the end of your healing process, most tattoos will do so for free. If you're unhappy with your tattoo and there's something not quite right about the healing process, feel free to ask any other shop. Most tattooists are happy to give you advice. After all, it's their custom, they are experts, and the best thing to do is listen to them. As you know, a tattoo is for life, so make sure you're getting the right tattoo for you and by the right artist. If you have any issues, trust your artist. Don't hesitate to ask them for any advice prior or post tattoo.